Cats, despite their reputation for being independent and sometimes aloof, are surprisingly territorial animals. One behavior that has perplexed many cat owners is when their cat pushes them off the bed or attempts to make more room for itself, often by nudging or even physically pushing its owner out of the way. At first glance, this might seem like an act of pure dominance or an indication that the cat is being pushy. However, the truth is more complex, and several factors could be influencing this behavior. From territorial instincts to comfort-seeking behaviors, there are many reasons why a cat might push its owner off the bed, and understanding this behavior requires a deeper look into feline psychology and biology. First and foremost, cats are territorial creatures. Even though domestic cats live in homes where they do not need to hunt or protect vast territories like their wild ancestors, they still have strong territorial instincts. This instinct manifests in how cats mark their space, interact with other animals, and even how they claim spots within the home. The bed is often one of the most important areas in a cat's territory because it is a place of rest, warmth, and security. For a cat, the bed represents a spot where it can sleep peacefully, relax, and feel safe. In multi-pet households or homes with multiple people, the bed becomes a valuable resource for the cat. When a cat pushes its owner off the bed, it may be trying to assert its dominance over this prized piece of territory. This behavior can be seen as a way for the cat to reinforce its claim to the space. If the cat feels that the bed is its own personal space, it may act aggressively or forcefully to reclaim it when it feels that its human companion is infringing on its territory. It's important to remember that while cats can be affectionate and attached to their owners, they are also creatures with strong instincts to protect their space and maintain a sense of control over their environment. Cats may also push their owners off the bed when they are seeking comfort. Cats are naturally creatures of comfort and warmth, and the bed provides an ideal spot for them to rest. In addition to warmth, the bed offers a soft and cozy surface that is perfect for curling up and taking a nap. If the cat feels that there isn't enough space on the bed, it may nudge or push its owner to make room for itself. This behavior is especially common if the cat is used to sleeping on the bed and feels entitled to a spot, particularly if the bed is small or if there are already multiple people or pets occupying it. By pushing its owner aside, the cat is essentially ensuring that it has enough space to rest comfortably. This behavior can also be linked to the cat's need for reassurance and closeness. Many cats form strong bonds with their human companions and enjoy being close to them, especially during sleep. However, cats are also independent creatures that value their personal space. A cat may push its owner off the bed because it wants to be close to the person it trusts but also desires its own space. It may choose a spot on the bed that allows it to be near its owner while still maintaining some distance or privacy. The push might be a way for the cat to create a sense of separation while staying within proximity. This can be particularly true if the cat feels overcrowded or uncomfortable with the amount of space it has. In some cases, cats push their owners off the bed because they are simply seeking a more favorable sleeping position. Cats are known for their need to find the most comfortable sleeping spots. They might push their owners off the bed because they want to create a cozy nest for themselves or because they are trying to adjust the bedding to suit their needs. Cats are often seen rearranging blankets or pillows, and this behavior can extend to their interactions with humans as well. If the cat feels that its resting place on the bed is not ideal, it might push its owner or nudge them to alter the environment to its liking. Another potential explanation for this behavior is that the cat is trying to get its owner's attention. Cats are intelligent and often know how to communicate with their humans to get what they want. Whether it's attention, affection, or even food, cats learn the behaviors that elicit the responses they desire. If a cat pushes its owner off the bed, it may be a form of communication, signaling that it wants more space, more affection, or a change in the sleeping arrangement. The cat might have learned that by pushing or nudging its owner, it will get a reaction, whether that's being left alone or getting the attention it seeks. There could also be a psychological aspect to the behavior, particularly if the cat has been trained or reinforced to believe that it can control certain spaces. If a cat has been allowed to occupy the bed freely without restrictions, it may begin to see the bed as its exclusive domain. This sense of ownership over the space can cause the cat to push its owner off the bed if it feels that the human is violating its territory. Some cats might even become territorial about specific spots on the bed, such as the center or the best corner. When this happens, the cat may push its owner aside in an effort to claim the spot as its own. In multi-pet households, cats may also push their owners off the bed due to competition for resources. If the cat shares the bed with other animals, such as other cats or dogs, it might try to push the human out of the way to create more space for itself or to establish dominance over the other animals. In such cases, the cat is not only asserting its claim over the bed but also reinforcing its position in the hierarchy within the household. The bed becomes a battleground for space. And the cat might push its owner off the bed to ensure that it has the most comfortable place to rest, particularly if the bed is small or already occupied by other pets. This behavior can also be linked to the cat's instincts as a nocturnal predator. Cats are crepuscular animals, meaning they are most active during the twilight hours, including the nighttime. In the wild, cats would often hunt or be vigilant during these hours, staying alert to any potential threats. Domestic cats retain this instinctual behavior, and as such, they may be more active or restless during the night. A cat might push its owner off the bed because it is trying to find a more comfortable spot or because it is feeling more alert and aware of its surroundings. The act of pushing might be a way to make room for itself as it readies for its nocturnal activities, such as stretching, grooming, or simply moving around the bed. In some cases, the behavior of pushing a human off the bed could be a sign of stress or anxiety. Cats are sensitive to changes in their environment and routine, and any disruptions in their comfort zone can lead to anxiety. If a cat has recently experienced a change in its surroundings, such as the addition of a new pet, the arrival of a baby, or a move to a new home, it may push its owner off the bed as a way of dealing with the stress or to create some space for itself. This behavior could be a response to feeling overcrowded or uncertain in its environment. And the cat might push its owner aside as a way to establish boundaries or regain a sense of control. Another possible reason for this behavior is the cat's age or health. Older cats or cats with mobility issues may not push their owners off the bed out of malice or territorial instincts. Instead, the cat may be trying to make itself more comfortable, particularly if it has joint pain or difficulty adjusting to certain sleeping positions. If a cat is pushing its owner away from the bed, it could be a sign that the cat is trying to find a better position or alleviate discomfort. In these cases, the behavior is more about the cat's physical needs than a desire to assert dominance. Ultimately, while it might seem like a cat is pushing its owner off the bed out of sheer dominance or frustration, the reasons behind this behavior are often more complex. Whether it's territoriality, a need for comfort, seeking attention, or trying to assert control over its environment, a cat's push is a multifaceted behavior. Understanding this behavior involves recognizing that cats are not just acting out of malice, they are responding to a combination of instincts, comfort needs, and emotional responses. By paying attention to the cat's environment, its routine, and its interactions with other animals and humans, cat owners can better understand why their furry companions might push them off the bed and address the behavior in a way that creates a harmonious sleeping arrangement for both the cat and its human.